My name is Bilgutay. I'm with Infinium Medical. Infinium is a patient monitor manufacturer and a medical equipment supplier. We focus primarily in the operating room and the ICU of the hospital. I'm the second generation owner of this business. It was started by my father over 30 years ago. Since we've taken over, me and my brothers, we've added a vast product line, over 120 different products, and we'd still continue to manufacture the patient monitors in-house. So the export market is still a vital part of our business. We started with SBDC many years ago. The first item we received was an export marketing plan. It was a very detailed plan that focused on our product, our export codes, and some target markets we might want to consider that had an ease of doing business. We use that to target the distributors in those markets for our products and make contacts we still have today of these distributors that help us sell in those markets. On top of that, we had several trade missions abroad. So I myself visited Vietnam, Panama with the SBDC. And just recently, we had this Step Up grant for our international marketing efforts, and we went to Vietnam for a Gold Key meeting. We also did a trade show in Germany, in Dusseldorf, Medica, and we did a big show in Miami, the FIME show, Florida International Medical Expo. Selma was great. I reached out to her, and she had mentioned that there is a grant opportunity if we're doing export marketing activities. She gave me some direction on how I can get the grant and apply it to our international trade shows and marketing efforts abroad. So it was a great help. It helped us actually invest more into those shows and attract more potential clients. While working with the Florida SBDC at USF, we have grown in some special markets that we weren't in before. So Panama being one of them, we were able to connect with a very good distributor thanks to the SBDC at USF. We accomplished some local registrations for our product, and we were able to make some great sales. Our biggest success, in my opinion, it's in the pipeline right now. Using the STEP grant, we were able to secure a one-on-one meeting abroad with a very large university hospital. And to our surprise, we originally went for the product that we're manufacturing, the monitors, which they were very interested in. We were able to close a lot of other products in the package that they're looking for. So I think it's going to be a very long-term success and a multiplier for our business. On a personal level, I'd just like to thank the SBDC at USF and Selma especially for these opportunities. It just helped to open my eyes to see how big the world is, how big the markets are out there. It's those small steps that make the biggest impact.